Okay, we're looking at the sacroiliac joint now, and we're going to be concentrated on assessing it via passive mobility testing. In all fairness, this joint really doesn't move freely. It's more like a syndesmosis than anything else. So it squidges. There's articular cartilage on the innominate surface, and probably that's what allows movement to occur by its deformation. So we're really not talking about glides here. We're talking about end fills. So we're going to be doing the major movements, which will be anterior rotation or extension, posterior rotation or flexion, medial rotation and lateral rotation, and then we'll look at flexion extension on the sacroiliac joints. So if we look at anterior rotation or extension, left joint versus right joint. Anterior rotation will be me stabilising the left joint by holding it backwards and putting the hollow part of my palm over the top of the ASS that way, and just gently pushing it into anterior rotation or extension, and then immediately comparing it to the infill I get on the right side. For posterior rotation, I'll hold the right one anterior and rotate the left posterior, or flex it, and then immediately compare it to the other side. So I'll stabilise the left and rotate the right backwards. Lateral rotation, I'll be pushing the innominate outwards that way as I stabilise the right one in. So this will be lateral rotation in the direction I'm pointing my finger there, and immediately come over, stabilise the left one and push the right one across. Now this is like the stress test, and it's much gentler. I'm looking for the end fill. And then for medial rotation, I'll stabilise the left joint and push the right one medially that way, and then immediately compare it to the left one. So I've basically done flexion, extension, lateral rotation and medial rotation from this supine position.